Our first choice for the best PC cases for airflow is the Lian Li Lancool 207 is a sleek and compact ATX RGB gaming case that stands out with its creative design and impressive cooling capabilities. This mid-tower chassis measures 455.6mm by 219mm by 456mm. It can accommodate standard ATX, micro ATX and mini ATX motherboards, giving builders plenty of flexibility. The case comes with 4 pre-installed fans, 2 140mm ARGB fans in the front and 2 120mm PWM fans located above the PSU shroud, ensuring solid cooling. One of the standout features of the Lancool 207 is its unique layout, which includes a front-mounted PSU with side-facing connector ports, making cable management much easier. It can fit GPUs up to 375mm long and has an adjustable anti-sag bracket to keep everything aligned properly. The case promotes excellent airflow with fully ventilated mesh panels on the front, top and bottom. For those into liquid cooling, it can support a 360mm radiator at the top. The front I/O panel is user-friendly, featuring 2 USB 3 Type A ports, 1 USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C port, and a headphone mic combo jack. The Lancool 207 also has a 4mm tempered glass side panel, perfect for showing off your build. Cable management is well thought out with various routing options and Velcro straps included. It can hold up to 2 3.5-inch HDDs or 2.5-inch SSDs. With its innovative design, strong cooling performance and practical features, the Lian Li Lancool 207 is a great choice for anyone. The MSI MagForge 321R Airflow is a top-notch mid-tower gaming PC case that excels in cooling and compatibility for today's gaming setups. It has a modern look with a tempered glass side panel, letting users display their components beautifully. The front panel is vented, and with the included ARGB 120mm fans, it ensures great airflow to keep your system cool during those intense gaming marathons. This case can support up to 11 system fans and even allows for a 360mm radiator on the top, making it perfect for gamers who want the best cooling performance. It fits various motherboard sizes like ATX, micro ATX and mini ITX, so you can create different build types. There's plenty of room for components accommodating GPUs up to 390mm long and CPU coolers up to 160mm tall. For storage, it has dedicated spots for both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch drives. The I/O panel is well equipped too, featuring a USB 3.2 Gen 2 XX, 2 Type-C port, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports and audio jacks. Cable management is straightforward thanks to a power supply shroud and plenty of routing options, plus the included 4 ARGB fan control board supports extra ARGB connections and works with MSI's Mystic Light software for easy lighting customization. With its combination of style, functionality and cooling efficiency, the MSI MagForge 321R Airflow is a fantastic option. The NZXT-H7 Flow is a mid-tower ATX case that offers exceptional airflow and versatile cooling options. This updated model features a mesh front panel and a side-mounted power supply, allowing for improved airflow and additional fan placement. The case comes pre-installed with 3 120mm airflow fans in the front, running at 1,350 revolutions per minute, with a noise level of 24.1 decibels, providing excellent out-of-the-box cooling performance. With support for up to 10 fans in total, the H7 Flow 2024 offers impressive thermal management capabilities. The case accommodates large components supporting graphics cards up to 410mm in length, CPU coolers up to 185mm in height, and ATX power supplies up to 200mm in length. Storage options are generous with mounting locations for up to 4 2.5-inch drives and 2 3.5-inch drives. The H7 Flow also features a well-designed cable management system with wide channels, built-in hooks and included straps for easy routing. The case supports mini ATX, micro ATX, ATX and eATX motherboards, making it suitable for a wide range of builds. Front I/O ports include 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C, and a headset combo jack with dimensions of 544 by 244 by 468 mm and weighing 11.13 kilograms. The H7 Flow strikes a balance between spaciousness and compactness. The case's toolless design, featuring easy access to front, top and side panels, simplifies the building and upgrading process. Overall, the NZXT H7 Flow offers a well-rounded package for users. The Asus TUF Gaming GT 302 ARGB ATX mid-tower case is a feature-packed and versatile option for PC builders seeking excellent cooling performance and customization options. This mid-tower case comes equipped with 4 140mm ARGB fans, providing exceptional airflow and static pressure to keep components cool under heavy loads. The case's standout feature is its interchangeable side panel design, allowing users to switch between a tempered glass panel for showcasing their build and a mesh panel for enhanced ventilation. The detachable top panel is another thoughtful addition, facilitating quick and easy installation of AIO liquid coolers up to 360mm in size. The GT302 supports a wide range of motherboard form factors, including ATX, ATX, Micro ATX and Mini ITX, and is compatible with Asus hidden connector motherboards for cleaner cable management, with a maximum GPU length of 407mm and a CPU cooler height clearance of 165mm. This case can accommodate high-end components without issue. The front I/O panel is well equipped, featuring 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2, 2 Type-C port, and a headphone microphone jack. Cable management is made easier with 37mm of space behind the motherboard tray, while removable dust filters on the front, top and bottom help maintain a clean interior. The case's square-type mesh front panel is engineered for maximum airflow efficiency. With its blend of functionality, aesthetics and cooling capabilities, the GT302 mid-tower case offers users a solid foundation for building high-performance systems. The Corsair 5000D RGB mid-tower case is a stylish and high-performing option for gamers and PC builders who want both aesthetics and functionality. It features a roomy interior that can fit up to 10 120mm or 4 140mm cooling fans, ensuring excellent airflow and temperature control. The front panel is designed for high airflow, maximizing air intake, and it comes with 3 AF120 RGB Elite PWM fans that use airguide technology to direct airflow to key components at speeds reaching 2,100 revolutions per minute. This case is also compatible with various radiator setups, allowing for a 360mm radiator in the front and a 360mm in a push-pull configuration on the top, making it perfect for advanced liquid cooling systems. Managing cables is easy thanks to the Corsair Rapid Route system, which includes a hidden cutout and 25mm of space behind the motherboard, plus a magnetic door to keep cables out of sight. The 5000D supports a variety of motherboard sizes, including Mini ITX, Micro ATX, ATX and eATX. For storage, it can hold up to 4 2.5-inch SSDs and 2 3.5-inch HDDs, with dimensions of 520mm by 245mm by 520mm and a maximum GPU length of 400mm. Additionally, the included ICU lighting node, PO RGB lighting controller, allows for full synchronization and control of RGB lighting across up to 6 fans, integrating smoothly with Corsair IQ software for a unified lighting experience. Made from steel tempered glass and plastic, the 5000D RGB is both durable and visually appealing, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. That's going to finish our list for the best PC cases for airflow. Remember to check the description for more information on each case and let us know what your favourite case is. Thanks for watching.